Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Telegram wallet to your bank account. This tutorial is quick and simple, so make sure to subscribe to this channel before we do. So now, once you opened up your Telegram, I'm going to show you two ways actually, how you can transfer your money to your bank account. The first one would be to go to P2P Market, which is in the right corner here, and click on Sell. From here, you want to choose your cryptocurrency which you want to sell. And after that, you want to go ahead and choose the best method. So as you can see, there are payment methods here, like Bank of Georgia and TBC Bank, SEPA Instant. But basically all of these has an option, and you basically choose an option which fits you the best. Let's go ahead and try this one. So SEPA EU bank transfer or SEPA instant. And now you're going to enter your account card number. And that's basically that. That's how you can go ahead and send it straightly to your bank account. Now, another way would be to send it to another exchange. So for example, like Bybit, and then from Bybit, send it to your bank account. So there's a few ways how you can do this. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.